Hello everyone! Today I'm making soft and fluffy red velvet cupcakes. They are super easy to make and taste just like bakery style ones. So let's get started. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, some vanilla, and 1 cup of sugar. Whisk everything until it's well combined. Now add 1 cup of milk, mix again, after that add 1 cup of oil, and again mix until smooth. Now add your red gel food coloring and mix until you get that beautiful red color. After that, add 1.5 cups of flour, two teaspoons of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and mix the ingredients together. And here, fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full and bake it about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Look how soft and fluffy they are. Let them cool down before adding the frosting. And here they are, my easy red velvet cupcakes. So soft, moist, and delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.